The 2012 Ferrari SP12 EPC. Everyone knows that Ferrari is famous for their individually developed programs, such as the P540 Superfast Aperta and the Superamerica 45. When you mix the talent of Ferrari and their exquisite projects with the wads of cash that can undoubtedly be found in singer-songwriter Eric Clapton's bank account, you have a recipe for another ridiculously awesome vehicle. Ferrari and Clapton collaborated to create the Ferrari SP12 EPC. SP equals Special Projects 12 and EPC equals Eric Patrick Clapton, made especially for the singer himself. It is based on the 458 Italia, but adds body work inspired by the 512 BB. The body work includes new bumpers, a wide grille, and a retro-style rear end. There is also a new exhaust system and a whole new interior. In terms of power, Eric Clapton wanted his one-off Ferrari to carry a powerful V12 engine, but in the customer isn't always right way, Ferrari opted instead to power the sports car with a V8 engine delivering more than 570 HP, or at least that is what the latest rumors are stating. Others seem to think that a V12 still found its way under the hood. Updated May 25, 2012, Ferrari has officially unveiled today the special edition SP12 EC, a model created as homage to Clapton's career and his long-lasting experience as a Ferrari owner. Check the picture gallery for some new images. Hit the jump to see a video of the Ferrari SP12 EPC.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.